Hey, welcome back to Text University. Today, we're exploring engagement in Text app, starting with traffic. Think of this as your real-time dashboard, showing who's visiting your website, what they're doing, and how you can step in at just the right moment. Traffic gives you a live feed of all your website visitors, whether they're browsing, waiting, chatting, or being assisted while a manager supervises the conversation. It's like seeing who's walking through your digital storefront and what's catching their attention. Each visitor card includes useful info like their name, email, location, device type, current activity, how many times they visited or chatted, and even which agent group they're assigned to. This lets you personalize your approach, maybe offer a discount code, highlight a feature, or just check in with a quick question. If you'd like to focus on specific types of visitors, you can use filters to narrow things down, like people who have visited your site over 3 times, are from a specific country, or are currently waiting for a reply. You can even save these filters as segments to find the right group faster next time. Let's say you spot someone lingering on the checkout page. You can invite them to chat manually right from traffic. Use the standard welcome message or click the pencil icon to personalize it for a higher chance of engagement. You can also supervise active chats without jumping in. It's perfect for training new agents or backing up your teammates quietly. You can leave private suggestions the customer won't see, kind of like coaching in real time. Now, just a heads up, to see this data, your website widget needs to be installed and working. Head to Settings and go to Website Widget to check that it's set up. And if you don't see any visitors, it could be that no one's currently online or you're not assigned to an active group. This might be because they're assigned to a group you're not part of. Only agents in the same group as the visitor can view them in traffic. In short, traffic helps you respond faster, engage smarter, and proactively assist customers when it matters most, all of which lead to happier visitors and more conversions. If you need more help, feel free to go to text.com and start a chat with us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.